Today you will learn a special recipe that every man should take. 1/2 banana. The composition of bananas indicates the most valuable vitamins and trace elements, without which a strong erection and potency are impossible. The lack of these substances is the most common cause of erectile dysfunction and decreased libido. Juice of 1/2 lemon. Lemon is very good for men's health. Lemon juice speeds up sperm movement and improves sperm quality. Before you go to the next ingredient, leave a like. And there, did you? Then let's continue. 1/2 teaspoon dried ginger. Dried ginger improves blood circulation, stimulates potency, gives self-confidence, allows blood to flow to the intimate area, and restores energy. A glass of water. 1 teaspoon honey. Honey normalizes the urogenital system and prostate, used to treat prostatitis, improves potency. Always drink 30 minutes before bedtime. Weight. A 66-year-old man transformed his performance in bed for a 21-year-old. He did things that you can't even imagine, and that you will never be able to do if you don't do like him. Click now on the first link in the comments and learn more. We have reached the end of another video. Don't forget to follow everything right to see results. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day, and comment here below what you think. Leave your like and see you in the next video.